David Britt. Just wanted to provide a tutorial on how to utilize Kaltura to upload videos into Blackboard. In my classes, I'm beginning to use videos as a mechanism for communication, both in discussion forums and video blogs and in other areas. And so what I wanted to do was to provide you an opportunity, if you're not using your cell phone, but if you're using your PC, of quickly and efficiently going to find and record videos for your classes. So when you log into your course, you're going to have a list of all the courses that you have here in the middle. Across the top, you're going to see something that says My Institution. So I want you to click on that and then scroll down on the left-hand side and you'll see a tab that says My Media. So when you click on My Media, what's going to happen is it's going to open up all the videos that you have saved under your name in Blackboard. And you may not have any at this point in time. I have hundreds because I use it quite frequently. But one of the things that would be helpful for you to do is to actually record a video and then be able to upload it into your class as part of your discussion forums, particularly like with a discussion introduction. It would be great if your fellow students could see your face. And so here's how you can do that. So you go over here to the right, it says Add New. If you click on that, you can go to several different things. If you have a YouTube page, you can actually link to a YouTube video that you already have. If you already have the video recorded somewhere else, you can hit Media Upload here, and it will give you an opportunity to click and drag that MP4 file or that .mov file in there. But if you wanted to create the video inside here, you can hit this button called Express Capture. And so what you're going to see right now is me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a quick 5-minute, not 5-minute, but 5-second video. So we'll be able to upload this and hopefully see how quickly you can make this part of your course responses. So see this red button down here? This red button, when I click it, it's going to start recording. And up here on the right, and one of the things you have to do, Google Chrome works best on this. If you click on this and you're inside like Safari, you're not going to get all the functionality here. And so let me go down here and click on this red button, and it'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And here we are. You'll see the timer right here in the middle. And as soon as it gets to 5 seconds, I'm going to shut it off. So I'll hit that button. And here we are. You'll see the timer right here in the middle. And as soon as it gets to 5 seconds, I'm going to shut it off. So I'll hit that. And so you'll see that it gives you an immediate playback. And if you are happy with that video, you can hit Use This. If you want to record it again, you can hit Record Again. So I'm going to use this video. And you'll see that it's saved relatively quickly. Now, there are a couple steps here in Kaltura to make sure that your video gets recorded properly and that you're able to use it. So you'll see that it's uploaded. You have to scroll down here and hit Save first, okay? Don't mess with this yet because it won't let you. So if you hit Save first, then it saves that video inside of Kaltura. Now the problem is this is saved as private, so you're not going to be able to use it yet. So you need to go back up here. Again, I'm not sure why Kaltura does it this way, but they just do. And hit Published, and then you're going to have a listing down here of all the classes that you are in and have been in. Now you're going to see I have a ton of them here, but you're going to need to find the class that this is in. So let's say, for example, that I want to make this the class of Servant Leadership SU1. So I'll click on that, and then I'll scroll down and hit Save. All right. So now this particular video is available to be uploaded into that class. So if I go down here to go to My Media, you'll see that video it ended up being a 7-second video is now published, and I'm able to use it. You'll see the published sign here. If that says private here, then you'll need to go back and publish it. And so you'll see that that video is available for me to use. Okay? So now, what do you have to do next? Well, I'm going to go to Courses, and I'm just going to pick a course that, that I have here. And let's say I want to go into MSOM 600. That's the course that you're in. I want to go to week 1. And let's say that the professor wanted you to do a video personal introduction, okay? So you could click on that, and you can create the thread, and you're going to have, for the subject, you're going to have David Britt introduction, okay? And then the way that you go find that video is you could go over here to the plus sign, you hit plus, and you go down here to Additional Tools, Kaltura Media. Now when you click on Kaltura Media, it's going to take you to that file with all of your videos in there. And so if you hit Select, it now embeds it, hit Submit, and you will see that your introduction, you will see that your introduction is loaded into that particular class, okay? Now sometimes this was a very short video, and when you're loading it into Kaltura, sometimes it takes a while to process, particularly if it's a 4 or 5 minute video. So make sure that you give it some time to be able to load. But that is one very quick way of not using any other outside video recording tools, but simply your computer and Kaltura inside of Blackboard. Okay, if you have any questions on that, make sure you let me or your professor know. Take care.